Hello everyone, in this video we are talking about our ERPNext implementation methodology. Most businesses judge ERP usage by the underlying cost, continuous working or support costs, quantifiable profit, and time to esteem. In the present aggressive business atmosphere, we recommend a significantly more thorough spotlight on big business programming usage by following extra measurements like interruptions in activities, effect on efficiency, and level of ERP reception over the undertaking. Sadly, there are numerous loathsomeness stories of fizzled ERP executions, cost overruns, time delays, interruptions in activities, and that's just the beginning. Presently, mid-showcase makers can keep away from these entanglements with our demonstrated ERP mastery. Let's talk about our demonstrated methodology. Regardless of whether your organization is changing to a totally new framework or experiencing a noteworthy update, exploit our demonstrated ERP usage strategy. Our past ERP administrations have diminished the heap on organization assets. Our multi-step execution process has helped many organizations enhance their business forms. Here are our principal zones of focus in an ERP technologies project. First, pre-implementation expertise. Amid the business procedure change stage, we will enable you to characterize your key execution pointers and a detailing methodology as a component without bounds state. Second, ERP project management. Our project managers are specialists in overseeing and driving customer and seller groups towards a fruitful ERP execution. Third, change management. Authoritative change administration is a key piece of process change, and along these lines a key piece of each ERP usage. We will control your customer group at all times. Advancement of a change administration design. Fourth, ERP trainings. Our group exceeds expectations at setting up and conveying powerful ERP training materials to the assembling undertaking. All procedure proprietors must progress toward becoming ERP specialists in their own privilege altogether for an effective execution and go live. An intensive ERP instruction assists with ERP selection and viability in the years to come. Fifth, ERP data conversion. Apagen's advisors are specialists in ERP information change and administration. Amid the audit of the present state and the advancement without bounds state, we will delineate information system for the transformation of information documents, both present and memorable. Apagen will help the customer IT group with the arranging and execution of information change to another framework. Sixth, quality control. Apagen has huge experience outlining a compelling improvement/test stage for broad testing of the new framework in meeting room pilot situations. We will lead top-to-bottom sessions for testing of procedures, incorporation and work process. Seventh, deployment. Apagen aids the deployment and go live after altogether overseeing and following the pilot, tests, information movement/joining and fixes or customizations and other pre-arrangement stages. Apagen team has more experience in providing ERPNext implementation services and will enable your organization to turn the concentration onto client guideline, client documentation and preparing with the whole client network. At last, the group concludes the cut-over plan of exercises and overhauls as expected to limit disturbances to the task. Mulling over the ERPNext implementation process of Apagen, it can be safely concluded that ERP implementation is neither a burdensome task nor it is too expensive, and it equally benefits both SMEs and big corporations. When all the complications involved in ERPNext implementation is weeded out, there is no greater benefit for an incorporation than to embrace it, as it optimizes all the function of an organization, be it HR, marketing, accounting, finance, etc. Thank you.